Step into luxury with this stunning home featuring high ceilings, spacious rooms, and upscale finishes. As you enter, you'll be greeted by beautiful walnut wood floors, expansive sliding glass doors, and a living and dining area complete with a cozy gas fireplace. The kitchen boasts top-of-the-line features, including a cooktop and a large FOTILE range hood, which vents to the outside. Double-wall ovens, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a large center island complete this gourmet kitchen. On the main level is an office or formal dining room, a powder room, and a mudroom for your convenience. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a large walk-in closet and a luxurious bathroom with dual sinks and a walk-in shower. Additionally, there's a second bedroom with a walk-in closet, 2 more bedrooms, another bathroom with dual vanities, and a conveniently located laundry room. The fully finished basement offers a versatile space, a bedroom, a full bathroom, and an extra office/bedroom/workout room, ensuring plenty of room for your lifestyle needs. Step outside to discover the fully fenced outdoor area with flourishing vegetable gardens, fruit-bearing trees, and a spacious shed. This home is the epitome of homey elegance.